Hi, my name is Kavin from FTC Team 21351. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create advanced custom parts, and I'll model a Go Build a servo case as an example. The first thing we need to design a servo case is a CAD model of the servo. By navigating to Go Build It and finding the servo that you want, you can export the step file directly into the CAD document. This makes it easier to test fit your design in CAD itself. Before modeling, we need to know the servo's size. The Go Build a 2000 series servos are roughly 40 millimeters long and 20 millimeters wide, with being 27 millimeters tall. So, in my sketch, I'll construct a rectangle that's 41 millimeters long and 21 millimeters wide for an easier fit. Then I'll extrude both the inner and outer rectangles 3 millimeters for the base. Then I'm going to extrude this plane 3 millimeters to create the base of the case. Then I'll extrude only the outer rectangle itself 27 millimeters high to create the entire shell. This is the outer case of the servo. Then I need a place to put the screw holes. So on the side, I'll create a sketch with a rectangle that's 3 millimeters. And I'll extrude it to 6 millimeters for space for the holes. And then I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. Then I'll chamfer the corners under the extensions for better structural integrity. Now I'm going to create and align the holes in the right area. So first I'll sketch the plane on top, and then I'll create 4 holes. And I want the holes to be 4 millimeters wide because it's for M4 screws. And then I'll make each of them 4 millimeters by using the equal constraint. And then using the vertical and horizontal constraints, I'll align all 4 holes with each other. And now for the spacing of the holes, we can see in Go Build a that the holes are 48 millimeters apart and 9.9 millimeters apart vertically. So I'll do that. And because the hole is 41 millimeters wide and the holes are 48 millimeters apart, the distance between the center of the circle and the hole has to be 3.5 millimeters. And and the distance between the center of the hole and the edge has to be 8.05 millimeters. So that's for the alignment of the holes. Now I'll extrude each of the holes by 9 millimeters. So holes can be added anywhere in the servo mount to increase versatility, but advanced custom parts are extremely effective and flexible in design. So now that I'm done with the design, I'll insert the servo case into the CAD assembly of the servo, and I'll test fit it. I'll use the fasten tool to snap the servo into place with the case. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. So that means the design is perfect. So the usefulness of custom parts was already mentioned in a previous video, but what defines an advanced custom part is that it focuses entirely on one issue and completely solves it. So that's like the reason advanced custom parts are extremely useful. So that concludes today's video, guys. See you next time.